Hey guys, Brandon with Caltech Web here. I wanted to show you two things. The first is about website security and the dangers of website security. I've got a Google search window opened up here, and I'm going to search the Journal of Oral Research, something I found earlier. The listing here for Journal of Oral Research takes me to their website and is immediately redirected to some scammy online pharmaceutical site. I don't even know what it is. So if I click the back button, it takes me back to Google. And even this one says this site may be hacked, which is certainly a warning. And a lot of times this happens through what we call an exploit or an injection. One of the major causes for this is a website that has not been updated recently. So what we do with all of our websites is we log in here. This is WordPress. One of the things you'll notice with WordPress, which is what we primarily use, is it'll show you what needs to be updated. So if you just simply click on this, it will show you the next page. So this is telling me that we have two plugins that need to be updated, as well as a theme that needs to be updated. So if we select all, click Update Plugins, those plugins are going to update automatically. And then we'll also click the theme to update that automatically. If you never update your website, one of the problems with the exploits and injections is someone can hack this old version. So we have version 4.22. We're updating to 4.34. Somewhere between 4.22 and 4.34 could have been an exploit that got discovered. What that means is now hackers can get into your site and put in anything they want. They can put in links to other sites. They can put in a full redirect like we see with the Journal of Oral Research. This is simply an injection or an exploit somehow that they took over this site for this particular page. And now anytime someone searches and goes to the Journal of Oral Research, they're redirected to this online pharmaceutical site that's selling Cialis and hair loss pills and all kinds of stuff that you wouldn't want your brand to be associated with. So it's always important to update WordPress, update all of your sites as often as possible. We do daily checks and we update everything daily. It doesn't take very long for an exploit to be found. It doesn't take very long for an exploit to be patched. It means covered up and protected, but you do have to implement those updates. So we update daily. It's always good to check daily and make sure that your websites are as current as possible so that you're protected from any type of exploit. Sometimes customers come to us having already been hacked, and we go through the database, clean up any of the exploits that were open and not patched yet, clean out any old admin accounts that need to be cleaned up, and basically make sure the site is up and running and clean. So that's the need for security, the purpose for security, and how we handle website security at Caltech Web.